What's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to do a quick example of what method chaining is in Java, and I've created this method chaining class, as you can see here, the icon for it in BlueJ. So I'm going to fill in the class now and do a quick example on what method chaining is. So there we go. Let's write the curly braces, do a constructor for the class. We don't want any arguments, so let's leave that blank. Okay, we need some kind of object, a string, to chain methods on, so let's make a string and call it text. And let's initialize that in the constructor. So text equals, let's just say some blank spaces to demonstrate on, and bare, more blank spaces. Okay, so we've got the string white space, bare white space in our text variable. So now let's call a method on there. So let's say text equals text.trim. So this will create a copy of the text string, as strings are immutable, and store it in the text field. And let's print out the results so we can see it. So this isn't method chaining, this is just calling one method so far. So let's print it out. There we go, bare. So we've trimmed the white space successfully. So let's try commenting this out and see if we get the output without the trimming, just to check it is working. Yep, there we go. So trimming is working. Now, what if we just want, say, the word in uppercase? So what we can do here is, instead of writing another line, we can just use dot notation again, and we know at the moment that this is creating a text string that just holds the word bare with no white space, because we've called the trim method on there. So on this variable that's just bare and it's of string type held in this, we can call another method. So let's say toUpperCase. Okay, so this is chaining a method. So let's call that and see what happens. There we go, guys. Method chaining, it's trimmed the white space, as you can see from here. This is gone, and it's changed it to uppercase. And you can do this as many times as you want for as many methods as you like. So let's say we just wanted a string now that's shorter. We could call a substring on there and say we just want the first character and the second character, because substring doesn't include the end index. So this will get us characters 0 and 1. So let's compile that and run it. There we go, guys. So that's 3 methods in one line called on one variable, which is a string object. And you can do this with any object types, so it's pretty handy. And that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. Hopefully this video helped you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Take it easy, guys.